Welcome to my channel, A Foodie Ghanesa, and I say I live to eat with passion. So today I'm going to create a sauce that you can eat with chips, you can eat with grilled chicken, you can eat with potatoes, you can eat it with a lot. You can put it on your salad, you can use it as a mousse, you can use it in so many diverse ways. I'm going to create this sauce using an ingredient that is commonly used in Ghana, of course. That's why this channel is created. And alongside the sauce, we have to cook something we can enjoy with that sauce, right? So I'm going to make some creative and infused mashed potato stuff, and then we'll eat it alongside with grilled turkey breast. That's the fun part of it. So it's going to be a long moment in this kitchen. Let's get started straight away. To do that, I will need to cut my ginger, onion, and garlic all together, grind them, and then marinate this chicken with them. I prefer not to take the skin of the ginger off because it has its own healing properties and benefits, so I just prefer to keep it. And then I will put in some oil, this infused oil. I will put a link below to whoever wants to see how I infuse herbs and spices into my olive oil for cooking and for salad making. And so I will cover it and leave it for a few minutes, about 30 minutes to marinate. Okay. Honest with you, I've never tried this sauce. This is the first time I'm going to make it on camera. I will share it regardless of the result. But I get my inspiration sometimes from when I eat in the restaurants or from already existing recipe online. However, some of the recipes that are already existing do not fall in line with the ingredients I love to use, so I just improvise and use my own ingredients to create the kind of sauce I want. And this sauce actually has no inspiration from any existing sauce. I just thought of, let me do this, add one or two and see the results. Now I'm going to add my parsley, which is already washed with vinegar, and I'm going to put my breadcrumb that I made or I got from the bread that I just baked. I'm going to use peanuts, and peanuts is very commonly used in the Ghanaian cuisine. I mean, it's snack, it's used for soup, for sauce. It's very versatile, so I'm going to try this in this sauce and see how the outcome will be. So this is my star ingredient of this recipe. This is green, red, black, and white pepper because I like my life to be spicy. And my olive oil. This is too much. This is what I'm going to use for all that I'm doing. So I put as little as that, and let's blend this and see the outcome. So before now, I have already preheated the oven on 250 degrees. I'm going to bring the rag out and put this turkey breast on it and start grilling it. So let's grill this. And our sauce is ready. So I'll pour what we're going to use today here. And I'll put the rest in this bottle to preserve it for another day. Now let's try this sauce. I like it. It doesn't taste exactly how I expected it to taste, but it's a great sauce. Why it didn't taste exactly how I was expecting it is the fact that I think I put too much salt, because the cheese already had salt in it. The yogurt has a little bit of salt, so if you're doing this, you should be mindful of the sauce. Then again, I think if I should put a little bit of honey or something sweet like dates, it's going to be amazing. So that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to spread some honey that was sent to me from Ghana by my mom on the sauce. And this is what I like about freestyling. I cook, and when I don't like the taste, I try to improvise. So this honey here is gonna be on this. So the next time I will add honey from the start and blend everything all together. So let me mix this and see how it's gonna taste. But look at the consistency. I love that. I love that. And the color is just amazing. And the taste of parsley in this and peanuts. Wow, this is amazing. I said it. I have a good taste. I think I have a great taste. Add honey or date to it, people, and this is going to give you totally a different, amazing taste. What am I going to do with these potatoes? I'm going to prepare mashed potatoes with this. And these are not crops that are or products that are cultivated and produced in Ghana, but they are common. But sweet potatoes, which is not exactly in this shape or this color, is very common in Ghana. It has its season, and you can use that. Or you can also use yam in place of this. You can also use plantain in place of this, or you can use cassava in place of the potatoes. Or you can wait when it's season for sweet potatoes in Ghana. You can use only that, or you can blend it. I'm going to blend the two to give me that taste of not sweet and not sour. Okay, so let's start peeling it. Okay, so now that they're all peeled, I'm going to separate them because sweet potato cooks faster than ordinary potatoes or French potatoes. So I'm going to separate them, wash them, and start cooking the French potatoes. And then 5 minutes later, I will put in the sweet potatoes. So while our potatoes are cooking, I will cut the vegetables, this and this, and then I will roast them a little bit and prepare them to eat alongside with our dish. Okay, so now let's mash our potatoes. I'm going to start by grinding this. And this is part of the ginger garlic onion piece I took from the beginning. Beautifully grilled and ready. Look at that golden, yummy, delicious look. Okay, let's see the outer and then the top of it. I'm going to cut it. Just look at this. What more can we ask for? So this dish is ready. Let's serve it. Okay guys, so right now I'm just ready to eat because I'm hungry, I'm feeling hot. I hope that you will be able to create this also, and if you do, please put a hashtag on it, La Foodie Ganesa, and let me just know. Leave your comments below. Let me know if you're gonna try this. Let me know what you think about this. And I encourage you to go ahead and create your own dishes, freestyle. That's how you learn, because sometimes using measurement from other people doesn't really work. Like using a specific recipe doesn't give you the actual result. So I'm like, let's be freestyle and let's create dishes on our own. Go ahead and create your dish and enjoy it. I live to eat. Do you love eating too? I have to start.